Hey, if you watching this video right now and you like my content, I know y'all don't watch some of my other videos. I've been checking my stats and it's saying that more people are watching my videos who are not subscribed than the ones who are subscribed. So if you like my content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you will be notified every single time I post a video, unless YouTube is tripping, because sometimes they be tripping. And also you can follow your girl on Instagram and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And if you want to get in shape, I have a second channel called Get Fit with Sin, where I work out Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So check your girl out. I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad, this video is probably going to be quick because I actually forgot to bring my camera today. How about that? Y'all, back in the day, when all I did was videography, I kept my camera with me every single place that I went because I never knew if something would happen and I need to film. But as I have moved more into the t-shirt business, I don't be having my camera with me all the time. But I am thinking, y'all, it's a lot of stuff going on in your girl's head. It's a lot of stuff going on in your girl's head. I don't know. I just, last night, I prayed. This morning I prayed and just spent some time with God. And I just feel like it's some things that he want me to do right now. And I'm going to be doing some things, some big things, y'all. Because I know I had told y'all that I wanted to get into embroidery, but I feel like he kind of, pushing a little something else towards me too. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Just like I was telling y'all, you gotta stay tuned watching my videos. You can't just watch one here or there, and you can't go a whole week and not watch. When you get a chance, catch up on my videos, because I try to post a lot of videos. So right here, what I'm doing today is well overdue, so I'm gonna let y'all check out what I'm doing. All right, right here, as you guys see, this is my dip tank right here. This is my dip tank. It's well in need of the stuff is like basically spoiled out and no longer usable. So this is what I'm doing right here. This is how I am emptying it right there. It's just coming out my back door right here. And as y'all see, that's why you need to have this thing on a stand right here. Oh, it's overflowing. I got it overflowing. All right. So basically, after you get it in something like a bucket, I'm waiting on UPS right now too, y'all. So I gotta keep an eye out for them. Waiting on deliveries. Gotta order. Gotta get printed up this week. So basically, once you, and I don't know if y'all have been seeing in my videos that I had like a bunch of these containers right here, because I wasn't sure how I was gonna do it. I was gonna put it in those containers and then see how to dispose of it, but from what I find, in order to dispose of it, all you have to do is pour it down the drain. Like the parts that you do not need to dispose of down the drains is actually the emulsion, and it's inside of here. So we still got about halfway to go, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see how I get rid of it. Yeah, all that soap. Y'all can see all that soap. Y'all, I should tighten this up, but y'all, I hurt my hand. I like really cut my fingers bad. Like, that's why I got a glove on this hand. You can see it's kind of a little bulky, and I also cut this finger. So it's hard for me to like tighten up my pants and stuff, y'all. So y'all kind of gotta excuse me a little bit today. I had a hard time trying to button up some pants yesterday, but I hurt my hand, and y'all know I don't like to take the pain medicine, but that's all you do. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish doing what I'm doing, and get it cleaned out. Alright, I have cleaned out all the water. All the liquid is out of here. So what's in here is the stuff that you cannot go down the drain. So what I have to do is either let it dry and throw it in the trash can, or clean it up and throw it in the trash can. This is all I have left. I took the spigot, or whatever you call it, off. It's right here, and I'm gonna let this dry, and it'll probably take a day or so for it to dry, or I'm either gonna let it dry or clean the rest of it out. But either way it go, when I get back to the video, or get back, it may be a part 2 video, I'm not sure yet, but once I do that, it will be cleaned out, and I'll be putting the new water and the new liquid emulsion remover in there. UPS is here with my package. Let me go ahead and unlock the door for her. How you doing? You can just sit on the counter. You need water or anything?
No, thank you, Mom.
It ain't so hot today, huh?
Nah. You still got my number, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, thank
There
you.
we go, yes ma'am.
All right, y'all. Y'all see, I got 2 packages up there, but that's for another video. All right, y'all. I'll be doing the other video later today. I forgot my camera, and I did want to bring my camera. Y'all, I'll talk about this in the next video. I'm gonna talk about it in the next video, but it's just what I see from my packages. But yeah, so I don't know, it's something else I did want to talk about in this video, but I'm gonna save it and do its own video for it. But yeah, so I am gonna go ahead and end this video. It's probably gonna be a little short video, but the next time I do this, and once I get this cleaned out and come back with the next video, I will let you guys know you know what I did. I'll show it to you either before I do whatever my next video is about or whatever. But I appreciate you watching, and y'all make sure y'all follow your girl on Instagram, TshirtChick TV. And if you like my content, y'all know what to do. Prince Squad out.